Today we will talk about media files. If you select the Media Manager tab from the left-hand panel, it will get you to this Media Manager page. And this is where all your media lives, irrespective of whether you upload the media from this page or from your website builder or from settings or from anywhere else. All of them will be shown in this place. This is your central place to manage all your media. You can compare it with something like a Dropbox or your Google Drive or maybe AWS S3. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, if you scroll down, you will find all the medias that have ever been uploaded in this website. If you want, you can create folders here to manage the media even better. So let me create one as my folder and hit create folder. And you will see it is appearing over here. So let me go inside this new folder and I will try to upload a new file. Here is the upload button. Click on the upload button and select the media that you want to upload. As you can see, this media has been uploaded successfully. So let me go back to the home page. If you want to just import a media instead of uploading it, you can do that too. Hit the import file button and paste a link of an image. As you can see, I am uploading an image from Pixabay here. I will hit import file and this image is uploaded here. And all these new files that you have uploaded, you can use them inside the page builder as well. See you in the next video.